Good morning. Today we're using our brand new 9-inch Visions skillet. And we're going to make scrambled eggs. I'm going to try using spray vegetable oil. And I'm just going to move the eggs around like you would in a non-stick pan and see if it sticks. It's starting to get a little warm. I'm going to give it a little coat before it gets hot. Just a light coat. I'm going to move it up to medium. But one of the mistakes I make is I don't let the pan get hot enough. So this is our first scrambled eggs attempt in a Visions cookware. It's getting there. Will this work? Will they stick? I'm going to treat it like a normal non-stick pan. Here we go. Okay. Now in a normal non-stick pan, I'll just start swirling it around. So far I'm not seeing any sticking. What you do is you deglaze the pan just a little bit when you're done cooking, and you end up with a pretty nice clean pan if you let the pan just dry out with the eggs on it. So far so good. Now I haven't tried this with butter. I'm going to turn the heat down a little because the pan's getting hot. Not bad, not bad at all. You can see that it's pulling away from the pan. They're almost done. Scrambled eggs. No, it's working. I see now. I consider these done. These are nice and creamy. Take a little water, just a little bit of water. Move it around. No sticking. Just a little bit more water. Take it off the heat. Let it sit and cool. And here we have our scrambled eggs. Go team!